Hey guys, Godzilla 2000 here back again, and today welcome back to another reaction video. Now for this video, we're going to be reacting to another video by Shutter Authority, which is called Godzilla, a nature documentary. So yeah, this was a video made by Shutter Authority 2 days ago, which to be honest, I should have recorded the day it uploaded, but for some reason I didn't get the notification. I know, that sucks. Like, I subscribed to his channel, I turned on his notifications, but I did not get his notification. Oh, speaking of that, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications to see one of my videos so that you don't miss them. Thank you. So yeah, we're gonna be reacting to this video and see what's good, shall we? So let's get right to it. Okay, let's start now.
Amidst the thick shrublands of Central Africa sleeps a
Pretty well made so far.
monster.
Looks really good.
A male Godzilla. Though a giant, he still sleeps like a baby. Let's take a peek into his typical day.
Is he doing yoga?
Before more activity, he must fuel himself up adequately. As the days get warmer, he moves to drier lands.
Wow.
His
Impressive.
skills.
He's running really fast. Well, he ran fast in Godzilla King of the Monsters, but wow, not that fast.
Getting around the
Wow, that looked really
is
real.
always simple for a creature that weighs 160,000 tons.
160,000 tons. That's heavy indeed. Really, Godzilla? You're using that as a sailboat?
We must get creative.
All right.
As the sun moves westward until it slows down.
How is Godzilla walking on a tightrope? It shouldn't have snapped off already. And he's just sitting down. Yeah.
He does like to have a bit of fun.
Well, of course, Godzilla's a good guy. Well, at least he is now, but back then he was a really bad guy. And he's doing weights with the plane. And he's swimming away.
Tiring day. But then, you can never be over prepared.
Like, is Godzilla a ninja in this video? Cause, oh snap, King Kong.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot
Oh,
of
do you see that? That was King Kong. Oh, I think we got a glimpse of what's gonna happen in the next video. Okay, so anyway guys, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I mean, I really did enjoy it. I enjoyed it, and this Godzilla even enjoyed it. Yeah, that's good. Alright, so anyways, so yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and yeah, have a good day. Goodbye.